Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add every card to your Apple Wallet. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to install an app on the App Store called Pass4Wallet. Then open the app. Here on the top of the screen there is a sidebar with several options we could choose from. For example, I can add a ticket. Here, I will type the name of the ticket such as Festival. Then I can choose to scan the barcode of the ticket, and if I have a picture of the ticket, this app got you covered. Then it will extract the ticket number, if not, you will add it manually. Then we are left with the optional settings such as date, time, place, and class. After we are done, tap on Add to Wallet, and we are finished with adding our ticket. After you're done with the ticket, you can remove it from the wallet with ease. Just tap on the ticket, then the three dots icon on the top right screen, then delete. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.